Welcome to the Staffordshire University Guide on how to use Law Trove. To navigate to Law Trove, start from the library homepage. There are a few ways to access the Law Trove system. Firstly, you could select eResources A to Z list from the quick access on the homepage. Navigate to the L section and select Law Trove from the option there. You can also do this via the Finding Resources page from following the same steps. Alternatively, you can access via your subject guide. I've chosen Law from the drop-down menu and press Go. Access the Databases and Journal Articles page and access Law Trove from the link shown here. Law Trove is a resource that provides access to a range of Oxford University Press law books. Law Trove recommend that you create yourself a personal profile, but this isn't necessary to use the system. However, there are additional features that are available on a personal profile that are not available otherwise. You can see that we're signed in at the moment because it says signed in as Staffordshire University on the left side of this page. If that option does not appear when you've accessed Law Trove, you need to select Sign in via my institution and search for Staffordshire University. I'm now going to demonstrate how to create a personal profile. Select Personal Profile from the top right menu. Select Create a Personal Profile. Fill in your details on the form provided. You can now see that in the top right corner, my name has been displayed, showing that I'm now using a personal profile. This will allow you to bookmark particular titles, create annotations and notes, and these are saved to your personal profile for you to access when you use Law Trove again in the future. There are a few ways to use Law Trove. Firstly, we can select View all the books in the subscription, which will show you all of the titles that the university subscribes to as part of Law Trove. You can see that they are accessible because the padlock is unlocked, and that means that there is full text access. The other option is to use the search bar or advanced search that appears at the top of every page on the Law Trove site. To access a book, click on the title and you'll be given details of the abstract and citation information on this page. You can then use the menu that appears below to skip ahead to the relevant section that you're looking for, or you can use the search within this book to look for particular keywords and skip ahead to those mentions of the keywords. Once you've accessed the relevant section of the book that you're looking for, you can continue to read the book in your browser. By highlighting a section of text, you can add an annotation, which will be added to your personal profile. You can use the pencil icon to export citations. Please remember to change the referencing style to the appropriate referencing format for your school. You have the option to download this citation as a Word document, copy and paste from here, or alternatively export the citation to a referencing software. Please note, if you do decide to export the citation to a referencing software, RefWorks is the referencing software that the library subscribes to and is supported by our organisation. A few useful features of Law Trove is that the page numbers of these books will match the print versions of these books, which means if you've made notes and then want to check the details in the physical books, you will be able to go accurately to the page that you've used in the online version, and vice versa. In addition to reading online, you can download a PDF version. You can also save this resource to your personal profile to look at later. And if working on a group project, you can email details of the book to the colleagues that you are working with on your project. Additional useful features are that the keywords displayed in blue are hyperlinked to a glossary. When we click on these, it will explain what those keywords mean. Boxes throughout the text will also highlight key cases that may be relevant to your research. Throughout the chapter, you will see pop quizzes that ask you to think about what you've been reading. And at the end of the chapter, you will also see a take-home message highlighting the key issues discussed in the chapter and critical questions. At the very end of the chapter, you will see links to the answers to the pop quizzes and the answers to the critical questions. And as such, this will be a highly useful resource to support you in revision. At the end of the chapter, you will also find links to relevant legislation and resources that were discussed in the chapter. Returning to the Law Trove homepage, if you need any support in using Law Trove, you can find this on the user guides in the helpful resources box on the homepage. There are PDF guides, video tutorials, and occasionally the option for webinars as well, delivered directly by Law Trove themselves. Thank you for watching this video about Law Trove. If you need further support in accessing any library resources, please contact the Academic Skills team on academicskills@staffs.ac.uk.